process. I ain't rushing the plan. God wrote the steps. I'm just walking the lane. They see the glow, but they don't know the stress. I stay 10 toes, not a grind, getting blessed. Trust the process. Yeah, I'm moving with faith. Every loss was a lesson I had to embrace. From the bottom to the top, watch the progress. I ain't stopping, I just trust the process. Started with a vision and a dream in the dark. Everybody doubted, tried to question my spark. Late nights grinding while the world stayed asleep. Planting every seed, now the roots running deep. They was laughing when I said I'd rise. Now they watching every move with surprise. Pain turned purpose, every scar is a guide. Had to learn patience just to master the climb. I was praying for the strength, not the fame. Had to walk through the fire just to carry the flame.